The number of electrons in motion at the instant of positive peak of a symmetrical AC wave is the same as that at the instant of negative peak. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. A 2-branch parallel tuned circuit has 100 resistance and 0.1 H inductance in one branch and 10.6 flow capacitor in the other. At resonance frequency the dynamic resistance is A 10, B 100, C 1000, D 10,000. The correct answer is 1000. Special circuits using neon tubes, contact relays, and capacitors are used in many domestic appliances. The role of capacitor in figure is to A. reduce power loss, B. function as resistor when relay is on, C. delay the operation of the contact relay after switching on, D. open circuit the relay terminals. The correct answer is delay the operation of the contact relay after switching on. A series RLC circuit has R2L1HC1 floor. It is connected to an AC variable frequency source of peak voltage 10 V. At resonance the power supplied by the source will be A 50, B 25, C 12.5, D 6.25. The correct answer is 25. In figure the power associated with 3 a source is A 36 watts, B 24 watts, C 16 watts, D 8 watts. The correct answer is 24 watts. In the circuit shown in figure the inductor current and capacitor voltage are given at a time t. At this instant I is A and is a sec. A 5 a 10 V, B 5 a 50 V, C 2.525, D 0. The correct answer is 5 a 10 V. In the board plot of the phase at W15 is A, B 45, C 40, D 36.8. The correct answer is 36.8. J6, AJ, BJ2, CJ3, DJ. The correct answer is J2. A loudspeaker transformer has a turns ratio of 21. The speaker impedance is 20. Primary impedance of transformer is A 10K, B 8K, C 20K, D 0.5K. The correct answer is 8K. A series RLC circuit has a resonance frequency of 1 kHz and a quality factor Q100. If each of R, L, and C is doubled from its original value the new Q of the circuit is A 25, B 50, C 100, D 200. The correct answer is 50. A DC network has an open circuit voltage of 5 V. When its terminals are short-circuited a current of 5 A flows through the short circuit. If the short circuit is removed and a resistance of 1.5 is connected across its terminals the current will be A1A, B2A, C2.5A, D5A. The correct answer is 2A. A coil of resistance R and inductance L has a capacitor C in parallel with it. The source frequency is adjusted to a value equal to resonant frequency. Another capacitor C is added in parallel with the above circuit. The source current will A increase, B decrease, C remain the same, D may increase or decrease. The correct answer is decrease. In the circuit of figure the current through 3 resistance at T is A4A, B 2.5A, C 3.1A, D 0. The correct answer is 2.5A. In figure I0 and V0 are 0. The switch is closed at T0 I0 and R A3A and 1.5A. B 1.5A and 0. C 3A and 0. D 1.5A and 3A. The correct answer is 3A and 0. Telegene's theorem is applicable to A. Circuits with passive elements only. B. Circuits with linear elements only. C. Circuits with time-invariant elements only. D. Circuits with active or passive linear or nonlinear and time-invariant or time-varying elements. The correct answer is circuits with active or passive linear or nonlinear and time-invariant or time-varying elements. Which of the statement is correct? A. H and G matrices are inverse of each other. B. Z and Y matrices are inverse of each other. C. For reciprocal networks ADBC1. D. ABCD parameters are used in transistor circuit. The correct answer is ABCD parameters are used in transistor circuit. A system function is the system is at rest for T0 I T2 UT where UT is an unit step Vt for T0 is given by A E60, B2 E60, C2 E60, D. The correct answer is 2 E60. Discharge breakdown in insulators is due to voids. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. In figure the switch has been closed position for a long time. At T0 the switch is opened. At T0 the current IC is AI, B0, C infinite, D. The correct answer is I. For the port shown the short circuit network function at port 2 is given by AS14, BS4, C4S1, DS16. The correct answer is S16. A material for permanent magnet should have A. High retentivity, B. High permeability, C. Low hysteresis loss, D. High hysteresis loss. The correct answer is high retentivity. Which of the following frequencies has the greatest period? A. 20 Hz, B. 200 Hz, C. 20 kHz, D. 200 kHz. The correct answer is 20 Hz. A variable resistance R and capacitive reactance XC are fed by N voltage. The current locus is A semicircle in fourth quadrant, B. A semicircle in first quadrant, C. A straight line in fourth quadrant, D. A straight line first quadrant. The correct answer is a semicircle in first quadrant. Two wires A and B have the same cross-section area and are made of the same material, RA600 and RB100. The number of times A is longer than B is A6, B2, C4, D5. The correct answer is 6. A DC machine has 6 poles all connected in series. Each pole has 9H inductance and field current is 2A. Total inductance and total energy stored are A 9H and 18J, B 18H and 36J, C 54H and 108J, D 108H and 216J. The correct answer is 54H and 108J. In a series RLC circuit the dB level of currents at half power frequencies as compared to current at resonance is A3, B3, C 0.5, D 0.5. The correct answer is 3. In figure the transmission parameters are AC1 B2 and D3. Then Z in A12 13, B13 12, C3, D4. The correct answer is 12 13. A sinusoidal voltage is written as VIMR2 x C2 0.5 sin 314t. Its peak value and frequency are A IM and 50. B IMR2X2 C 0.5 and 50. C 0.707 IMR2X2 C 0.5 and 50. D2 IMR2X2 C 0.5 and 50. The correct answer is IMR2X2 C 0.5 and 50. If a 10J, then log EA is A 14.1445, B 245, C 2.65J 45, D 2.65J 0.785. The correct answer is 2.65J 0.785. Which synthesis procedure requires the use of mutual inductance? A. Foster's synthesis. B. Coyle synthesis. C. Bott-Duffin synthesis. D. Bruner's synthesis. The correct answer is Bruner's synthesis. In figure, the RMS value is A 5, B 2.5, C 2.5, D 50. The correct answer is 50. A series RL circuit is excited by a voltage VT/Vm sin T. The transient current will be 0 if A 0, B 0, C tan 1 LR, D tan 1 LR P2. The correct answer is tan 1 LR. Consider the following from the point of view of possible realization as driving point impedances using passive elements. A1, 2, 4 are realizable. B1, 2, 3 are realizable. C3, 4 are realizable. D none is realizable. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3 are realizable. A series circuit has R5 and C10 floor. At T0 it is switched on to a 10V DC battery. The maximum current in the circuit is A2A, B1A, C10 6A, D10A. The correct answer is 2A. In figure, the value of R should be A 5K, B 50K, C 20K, D 10K. The correct answer is 20K. A practical parallel resonant circuit has a coil in parallel with a 0.14 F capacitor. The coil has an inductance of 1 mH and a resistance of 10 ohms. The Q of the circuit is A 1000, B 100, C 10, D 1. The correct answer is 10. An AC circuit has two branches in parallel. The current in one branch is 5A. Then the current source A must be less than 5A. B must be more than 5A. C may be equal or more or less than 5A. D 5A. The correct answer is may be equal or more or less than 5A. The electrolyte in a dry cell is completely dry. A true. B false. C. D. The correct answer is false. A series RLC circuit has a resonant frequency of 2000 Hz. The maximum voltage across C is likely to occur at a frequency of about A 1000 Hz, B 4000 Hz, C 2025 Hz, D 1975 Hz. The correct answer is 2025 Hz. In the network shown in figure, the voltage drops across R2 and R3 are 10V and 16V with polarities as shown. The current in R1 A is 9A and directed towards node 0. B is 9A and directed away from node 0. C is 9A but directed of current cannot be found. D is impossible to be found. The correct answer is 9A and directed away from node 0. A coil has a resistance of 2 and inductance of 0.1 mH. The applied voltages is suddenly increased from 10V to 20V. after steady state condition have reached, the current is A to A. B more than 2A but less than 4A. C 4A. D more than 4A. The correct answer is 4A.